Well, it's been a long time, but decided I'd make a video real quick. It's getting a little dark out, so I have the flash on so y'all can see. The truck has been down for a couple of months, probably since October, and I've been working on it for the past couple of days. Reason why is I had a bad coolant leak coming from the water pump, and that needed to be replaced. So been working on it, and there's a new water pump. We also ran into a problem with the hose, the heater hose, and the coolant reservoir hose. And this right here, when I disconnected it from the old water pump, it broke. So this piece, that white piece, is new as well. It's actually not that bad of a job. It's pretty easy, actually. It's just whenever things don't go right, it makes it a little longer. But we got it. I mean, it's really easy. It's not too bad. If y'all haven't changed a water pump, with mine, I don't have to remove the fan, so that was really nice. I started out, I removed the serpentine belt, removed the air intake. I also had to remove my cover just to get to that clamp. After that, removed the top radiator hose, which is this hose right here. It goes into the top of the water pump. And then this hose, the bottom radiator hose, and then there's two heater hoses right there. These two heater hoses, they come off. Once you have those off, I just removed the tensioner pulley assembly. There's 3 bolts. Remove the tensioner, and then there's 6 bolts holding the water pump onto the engine block. There's 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Remove those, and then you're to the engine block. And I also got a new thermostat and housing with my new water pump, so this is also new. So I removed the bolts from my old water pump so I can use them on my new one. While the new water pump was off, I put the thermostat and the housing on it. I did use gasket sealer in the middle of that. On the engine block, there's going to be old gaskets that are kind of like melted on, stuck onto the engine block. You have to make sure all of that is cleaned off. So just scrape it off. Be careful not to dent or ding anything, but you need that surface to be clean and smooth. So I think that's what was really time consuming. So we did that. You want to put gasket sealer on the new gaskets, front and back. I put it on the water pump first, and then I had these 6 bolts threaded through so I could put it on the engine block. And you got to make sure to torque your bolts. It's 11 foot-pounds first pass, 22 foot-pounds second pass. Okay, after that, that's on. You got to torque down your thermostat housing to 11 foot-pounds. Then you want to connect all your hoses again. So after I went and got that heater hose assembly, that was a big, I mean, I was stalled at that point. I needed a new heater hose assembly. Connect all your hoses, the 2 heater hoses, the bottom radiator hose, and then I put on my tensioner pulley then. You want to torque these down to 37 foot-pounds. After that, I believe I put my belt back on, connected my top radiator hose, put my air exhaust on, and my cover right here. And also while I was at it, I also changed out my air filter. And that's about it. I mean it's really not that bad. Be sure to also disconnect your battery. But that's how you do water pump. I mean, I would have filmed it, but I mean, it's kind of hard to film and deal with all that at the same time. I do believe it could have been done in less time than what I did it in, if you don't run into problems. So that's it. But there is the Silverado. Next project up for that is going to be U joints. I know for sure I need a back U joint. I don't know about the front. I'm kind of considering just doing both of them. I believe my 4x4 has 3, but I'm just looking at those 2 on the drive shaft. Had a loss for words. Other than that, that's all I want to do mechanically right now because I'm good. I might do like an air intake, maybe cold air short ram, something like that. Other than that, I want to do like some body fixes. I have some rust on the rocker panel over here on the driver's side. That's giving me some issues, so I don't know if I could weld, take that off and do it myself, or if I need to take it somewhere and have them do it for me. But that is the truck update. It's been a while, so I thought I would jump on here and tell you what's up. I got to do some cleanup now, so hopefully we will talk soon. See ya.